Hey, and what's up guys, so I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how you can know if someone has saved your number on WhatsApp. So however, there is no any simple way to just let us know that if someone has saved your number to his WhatsApp. So basically the step I'm going to show you is a general one, and it's a very simple and quick. So go to WhatsApp first, and then suppose you want to know someone if someone has added you to your WhatsApp or not. Then go to this and go to your new group, and only that will only like this you can create a group to know that if she has saved your number or not, because like you have this on your contacts but they doesn't have it. So suppose I'm just gonna add this, and also just to see that if they have if they have saved my number or not. So suppose I'm just gonna give the name to test, and then I'm just creating the group. So if they see the group and message you back, that means they have your number on saved. And if they doesn't, that means they doesn't want to message, or either they have not saved your number. So yeah, that's how you can get a guess that who has saved your number or not. So thanks for watching guys, I will see you in the next video.